Vamos a matar estos putos.
Have you ever had Long John Silver?
What the fuck are you carrying? Huh?
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. Man, I don't want to do this no more. Bro, why is he so huge, bro? Look at him. They're breaking the buildings, dog. I'm doing no damage, bruh. I'm dying, bruh. Oh shit! I'm dying. Oh, are you with me? Oh!
Did you die?
Yes, bruh. Yo, they're too strong, bro. You got me fighting level 100s, dog.
Oh, this is normal?
I just
There's no
started.
level?
Bruh.
What?
I blasted myself. I'm dying. Oh my god, big ass Scorpios. Oh my, bro, they're finessing me, dog.
Fuck, hold on.
That's alright. Oh shit, I'm stuck on down, big ass ant. Oh la verga. I'm shooting it in the bumhole, bro. Ay, Miguel! Ay, Miguel!
What?
He ran up, bro. Ah, Miguel! Ayúdame, Miguel!
What the hell?
Hey, bro, shoot! Hey, bro, shoot! Getting molested by insects.
It'd be like that.
Look at this big ass ant, bro. Nasty motherfucker, bruh.
What?
What? Why are you flying, dog?
What do you mean?
He fucking flew,
Oh my god.
bro. I'm getting trampled like a Travis Scott concert, bro.
You might as well respawn, bro.
Bro, I just spawned, dog. Bro, I'm getting chased down, bro. Oh my god. Miguel! Miguel! Please! Bro! I'm not.
You already used overdrive?
I survived Travis Scott, bro. Oh, it's Astro World. Ah! I'm gonna die. Ayúdame, Miguel. Oh, I survived Astro World. Oh, shit. How do I heal? Okay. That's gangsta. This shit gay.
What the fuck? Bruh.
Oh, please, please. I just started this job, dog. Relax. Bro, he ate me out.
That's really what happened.
Mission. Oh, damn.
Like peacefully.
Yeah, bro, I have like 20 motherfuckers on me. Alright, that was a nice experience. I'm good. I didn't even touch the controller, dog. How the hell did I do that? How did I do that? I just dropped the controller and my man started hitting the way. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what the fuck? How did I do that? How did what? Am I supposed to hold it or tap it? Wait, how do I? How do I work this thing, dog?
I don't know.
I'm a Texas NPC, bro.
Only 5 bullets, really?
Hit the wall. Hit the wall. Hit the wall. Alright, I'm listo.
You're ready.
Now that I know what it's about.
It's about movement.
I was moving. I was moving, dog.
You need to be moving harder than ever. It's like killing
I
for but more faster.
More faster.
Yeah, you know how killing for is. You know how the zombies are, but this game they're like, well, guess what, nigga? We're fucking, I don't know, 60 feet tall. 2 steps and they're already in your face.
Oh my god.
You heal with L1 actually.
I was. He didn't want to take the pills.
Pills, dude.
He didn't want to pill himself, bro. He didn't want to overdose like Juice World.
Where you fucking get, if you see green gems, those are for healing.
Alright. So what's ammo?
No, you don't have ammo. Ammo's unlimited.
Okay. Cheetah. What's this?
Hola, verga.
Oh my god! Hey! Uber delivery! Oh my god, it's a robot. Oh my god. Bro, I'm in a Mercedes, dog. Hey bro, you got a ride? You need a ride? Oh. Bro, this Mercedes got a hauling ass. Hey bro, the robot's friendly?
No.
Okay. Why? Why?
I don't fucking know.
Help me, bro. They want my Mercedes. Oh my god. Calling in a fucking, I don't know, an AC-37, bro.
A what?
An AC-37, dog. Call it an airstrike, bro. What?
Nothing.
Why you laugh? Oh, shit. Nah. Bro, there's 6 of them, bro. I don't want to do this no more. I'm going to the gas station. I'm going to the gas station. I'm going going home. Oh, no. I got to return. Oh no. Hey, it's a joke, bro. It's a joke. Oh my god. He foretold the future. I don't know. Miguel!
What the?
What the fuck are those roaches, bro?
What roaches?
Look! Oh shit!
Fuck.
What do you mean, oh fuck? Ew, he farted. Why am I emoting?
This guy.
I'm panicking, bro. Oh, can I overdrive?
Yeah,
I can't see, I can't see, I can't see. I died. Ayúdame.
but that too is need help.
Oh my god, that robot. Oh my god, that robot's combusting. Oh shit, there's like a ton of big ass roaches, dog. Oh my god, you got a sword? I'm hitting the back shots, bro. Don't worry.
Fucking god.
Oh my god, he busted. He said, "Ugh, my back." Man's got back shotted so hard. What's the last one?
He died.
Where? Now look at you go, going like Tarzan and shit.
Fuck, I get these gems, bro.
Oh, we get the same thing you get. I get. When you pick up the gems, I get the gems.
Wait, so you heal if I heal?
No. I just picked up a healing. Hey bro, it's not about the gems, it's about the Mercedes, dog. Hell yeah.
It'll blow up, isn't it?
Nah, we're good. You just see me blow up.
No, we're good.
Damn, I got a B. For
How the
Patricia.
fuck do you get a B?
What'd you get? An S?
A, I got an AA.
I don't know.
That's what I got, an AA.
I got my technical was 800. I received a 900 damage, you know what I'm saying?
Get me some gems. It's gonna be tough to pay my lease this month. Last month I lost big.
I gotta pay taxes, dog?
Let up, man.
Yep.
This is whack.
We live in a world.
Damn, bro, I didn't know we lived in a world. That's crazy.
The world, dude.
I want like a machine gun. I have one, but how do I upgrade it?
You don't upgrade it, it's just you. It's kind of like how do you explain it? Imagine.
Oh, you see, 'cause there's two rockets. They look the same, but it's different color. But since the white is more stronger than the green one.
It's basically, you know, keep doing the missions and then the guns drop by themselves.
Alright, I'm ready. Hello, everybody. It is me, back again, talking to you guys. I really hope you guys all enjoyed that video that you guys just watched. I would highly recommend to play the game. It's called Earth Defense Force. I would highly recommend it to play with your friends or just yourself too. You can enjoy the game by yourself. I really, it goes both ways, hand in hand, but it would be way more better if you played it with a friend, because it's, as you can see as the video, it's very fun. It's something different that that I normally play, like, you know, fighting humongous insects or bugs, you know, ants and beetles, and then these humongous robots that you just saw in the video. But yeah, it's very good. I would highly advise to play with some friends or whatever. But to the point I wanted to get was, I'm gonna upload this video on Friday, and I'm gonna upload another game or another video on Sunday. And on Sunday, well, I'm gonna be playing, so you guys can get like a little, so you guys can know, I'm gonna play a horror game, and the horror game I'm gonna play is called Nun Massacre. Very scary game, and the reason why I wanted to play it on Sunday was because, well,
you go to church on a Sunday and it's about a nun trying to kill you. So I was like, hey, like that kind of goes hand in hand, you know. It's on a Sunday and it's a nun in a church, but in a horror, what the hell? Oh, I can't speak, in a scary setting. But yeah, I just wanted to guys give you like a little sneak peek of what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning, whatever it is. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you guys stay safe out there, and I will all see you again on Sunday. Ready to get scared. Peace.